Have questions for our experts? Well, they have the answers. Joining us today is Matt of American Air and Heat, our resident air and heating expert. Thank you for being here, Matt.
Thank you for having me.
Our question today is a big one. When your AC quits and you're in a bind, a lot of people don't know where to turn. How do you find the right contractor in that moment?
There's a few things you really got to pay attention to. The first would be the online reputation. Do they have a reputation of taking care of their customers quickly, timely, and affordably? The second biggest thing would be licensed and insured, along with background check, drug tested technicians. These are people we're letting into our homes. We have to make sure they're quality and that they're there for the right reasons.
And with today's air conditioning units that are becoming more and more advanced, how do you make sure your technicians are up to date with the advancements?
Constant training. Constant training on both the technology of the units and how to meet and exceed our customers' needs.
Good to know, Matt. Thank you so much. If you have questions, American Air and Heat has the answers. Visit AmericanAirandHeat.com to learn more.